In the meantime, Makati Congresswoman Abigail Binay said they will appeal the ruling of the ombudsman to dismiss his brother, Makati Mayor Junjun Binay. Binay said the family was expecting the order of the ombudsman before the filing of certificate of candidacy on Monday. She said that her father, Vice President Jejomar Binay, was also being targeted for suspension. The Vice President is facing 5 plunder cases before the ombudsman related to alleged when he was still the mayor of Makati City.
We will appeal. Siyempre, hindi naman po final yan. Kahit sabihin immediately executory yan, kami po ay mag-aapela sa korte dahil yun ho ang karapatan ng aking kapatid para questionin yung desisyon ng opisina ng ombudsman. Timing, Monday na ang filing, ngayon lalabas, gantong oras, mag-aalas 5 na. Pangalawa, naniniwala kami na hindi naman talaga yung kapatid ko ang target. Matagal na ho namin naririnig na maglalabas ho ng order ng ombudsman ng dismissal na ito. Although umaasa kami na hindi nila itutuloy, pero tinutuhanan nila. Unfortunately, ganun talaga sa politika. Pero at the end of the day, alam ho namin talaga kung sino ang target. Ang target ho ang aking ama, si Vice President Binay. I wouldn't be surprised kung may lalabas din sila na order against the Vice President kasi talagang gusto nila na hindi makapag-file ng kandidatura sa pagiging presidente si Vice President. Yun lang naman yung kung hindi ho Binay ang apelido ng kapatid ko, hindi ho ako at hindi ho tumatakbo si Vice President, hindi naman ho kami ita-target ng Office of the Ombudsman.